In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Metamask to Uniswap. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the official uniswap.org website. Make sure that you do go to the correct one because there's many scams out there that pretend to be the real website but actually aren't. But anyways guys, once you're on the official website, go to the top right and select on this button that does say connect. Then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on Metamask. By the way, you will need Metamask installed on your device as a browser extension, which we do have right over here. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and select on Metamask like so, and then it is going to make us open up Metamask. So let's go ahead and enter in our password. And once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to select on this button over here that does say connect. Again, just make sure that you are using the actual real Uniswap website because there's many other scams out there. So go ahead and just press on connect like so. And it's honestly that easy. It is going to show your wallet address over here. And from here, you guys can go ahead and swap like different assets. So that's definitely pretty awesome. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.